Alright family, welcome back to today's video. Today is actually, you will get this video for Vlogmas day, I think day 9 or 10, but I think Vlogmas day 9, you guys. But this is my current situation. I am going to include a clip to let you see what it actually looked like before I took out the first portion of stuff. But in this video, we are going to fully clean and get TT space semi-decorated before we bring in more of the trees. I'm gonna pull all of the tree boxes out, and she has a total of 7 trees over here. We're gonna see which one we put in. She was still wanting the ashland. She wanted these trees, but they're not snow flocked, so she has a mixture of what she wants. But let me tell you guys, we saw this blue tree because blue is her favorite color, then pink. But she saw this blue tree, and now she wants to go all blue. Now, if I can get her at least 3 of the trees, because they had 1 in stock, and I'm waiting on the response of seeing if I can get 2 more from another location or somewhere. If we can, we're going to do blue. If not, we're just going to go with the other idea. But this is our current state, so we're going to do a clean and a decorate with me for Christmas. And I do know, well, we're just going to play it by ear because she's in the living room pulling out more stuff. I do know right now she kind of wants to leave all of this, but I think I'm just going to clean it, decorate it. I do think I'm going to change the curtains. Even though we leave up the pink, I think I'm going to go with the curtains that looks like this, those sequence curtains with the silver and white. And even though we'll mix in a pop of her pink, I do want these curtains, I think, down. But with that being said, this is our current situation. Make sure if you didn't check out our house tour video, you go back and watch all of our Vlogmas videos. And just let me know if I inspired you at all for any of this Christmas season. Now, with that being said, let me quit talking. We're going to move some stuff out. You guys, I will bring you a couple sponsored items inside of this video as well, so make sure you do stay tuned. TT wanted her risers off of her bed. going to clean this side. We're going to clean all of this. This will be coming out. I got to remove some more stuff off of here. And here, now her little, and this is her cedar chest bench. I'm gonna redo the top, and we're gonna paint it at a later date, just not in this video. But I'm gonna redo the top. We're gonna clean all of the stuff out because I've been using her room actually as partially some of my storage stuff. We're gonna take all of that off the top, and I gotta change. I'm almost finished over here, but I have a few things sitting on the bed. But we're going to clean. We're going to show you the room, and I think you guys, once you do get this video, it should be Vlogmas day 11. You're going to get a couple videos together so that we can get my completed house tour out. Alright you guys, all of my wall mirrors are clean. I gotta go back and add in my candles. I'm going to open up the curtains some more. This is not coming out yet, but it will be coming completely out because I gotta reposition my modem and my router. But I'm going to clean this side up now so we can finish off this bedroom. I opted to put her bench here for now.